Hi, this is Siddharth here. This product is finally came to my hand. So I'm just gonna show you what's in here. Especially I just ordered and finally in my hands. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Let's see. So they're basically one pair of shoes in here. Here you can see in this part. Here's bit of curve 70 IEN. Okay, actually just one pair. um okay, there's here you can see this. I'm pretty excited actually. I can explain in words. I think these pairs would suit me off in any other occasion. Let's just try.